The pace of technological innovation has changed the fortunes of so many companies, creating unprecedented opportunities for some while leaving others behind. 5 decades ago, the average time a company would remain on the S&P 500 would be roughly 60 years. Fast forward to today, and that tenure is closer to 15. Other companies have experienced rapid growth and overtaken the old stalwarts. It's an incredible story of both creative destruction and renewal. I'm Peter High, the President of Metis Strategy and the moderator of the Technovation podcast. In my latest book, Getting to Nimble, How to Transform Your Company into a Digital Leader, I cover 5 themes that companies need to rethink to keep up with the rapid rate of change and thrive in the digital age: people, processes, technology, ecosystems, and strategy. I provide a step-by-step process to help you optimize each, and I cover real-world lessons from companies that have already transformed and modernized their operations, including companies like Domino's, Capital One, FedEx, and the Washington Post. Order Getting to Nimble today on Amazon or visit gettingtonimble.com to learn more. I hope you join me on this journey of transformation and growth.